think we have a race. And another contender. Are you guys ready? Yeah, I am the winner. Well, what do we have here? Traffic. Oh, I see what's happening. There is a lot of traffic. Isn't this? Yeah, this is where last time I was stuck in this. There was a police officer that pointed his finger at me. Let me just follow this guy. I mean, why have a bike if you can't do what I'm doing now? Breaking the rules, crossing white lines, passing vehicles. It's a little tight. Oh man, this is what I love about this bike. Now, my dream bike is the 1250 GS. However, this little G650 GS is exactly the right size to squeeze through traffic. Yeah, hey, there's Zandre. Cheers, mate. See if I can catch him. Oh, we've got another race. I guess that guy didn't want to race. We need more contenders. No cars. I only race taxis. Oh man. Guess they don't want to play. Well, let me see if I can catch them anyway. One down, one to go. The light is red. No use wearing out my brakes. I would have kicked his ass if the light was green. So what's happening in life? Well, we're buying a house. Let me just squeeze. Oh, I love this bike. Squeeze through here. Guy on my left. Yeah, this is why I love this bike. You can just, I think, well, I don't know. If I had the 1250, I would definitely not fit today. Probably not. Maybe people would make space. Say, hey, get out of my way. Yeah, but that's why I love this bike. Anyway, so yeah, we're in the process of buying a house. We've been looking for one for a few months now, and I think we found the one. We're going to, well, we have put in an offer, and I hope it gets accepted. But the reason why we're buying a house is now we've been renting for a really long time. Me and my wife Lisa. And the reason we've been renting for so long is because well, we kind of didn't want to get tied down. If you want to buy a house these days, you have to be willing to keep it for at least 10 years if you're looking at making money on it. But then it's always, you know, it's never guaranteed. So the reason why we're buying a house now is because of the market. The market is now, it's perfect for buying a house. Prices are really low. I mean, this house that we found, it is, I think we're getting it for R1 million less than it's worth, because the market is so down. Yeah, so we think it's brilliant. That's such a lovely place. Can't wait to know if we get it. I will keep you guys informed. But yeah, it's brilliant. It's got a double garage, somewhere I can leave my baby. Oh, and there's space, a workspace, so much space for activities. There's space that I can build stuff, and I don't have to mess up the house because I can do it in the garage. Squeeze. Boy, these people are talking quite loud in a language I don't understand. That's the thing about South Africa, is there's 11 official languages. I speak 2, but I do not speak any of the black languages. I don't know if that's politically correct, calling it a black language. The African languages. I don't speak any of the African languages. I can say hello in Zulu, Zalbon, and I can say hello in Swana, Domela. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I can say, oh, what is it? Venda. I can say good evening, which is Ndi Madikwana. Yeah, that's about it. The other languages I speak is English, Afrikaans. Squeeze out. And I do appreciate having this bike. But if BMW feels like it, feel free to give me one of those 1250s. I will promote it. I guess that's being a little forward because I've only got 11 subscribers. Hey, if you're one of my subscribers, please send me a comment. Say, hello, Dylan, you suck. Or hello, I love what you do. But yeah, 11 subscribers. Let's try and make it 12. Anyway, man, I'm in a good mood. I don't know. It's probably because I've got this lovely bike I'm riding on, and that we are buying a house. That's enough rambling for 1 week. I think I need to end it. So the way I make these videos is every day to work and back from work I record everything, and then I choose the best material, either where something happens or where I talk a load of poo-poo. Anyway, if you did like this video, please subscribe. Well, hit the like button. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. And I am going to do my level best to put a video on here once a week. Anyway, peace out and have a good one.